For today's recipe, we will be making pork and broccoli in gravy. Napakadali lang lutuin ito, so let's start. So guys, I have half pound of pork belly and in-slice ko lang yan ng manipis. First we're gonna do is to season our pork. So gagamit tayo ng 1 teaspoon salt. We have 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. Guys, naglagay ako ng chili oil pero optional lang yan ha. And then we have 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Meron tayong 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Naglagay din ako 1 tablespoon ng oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So, mix lang natin yan and then pwede nating i-marinate for 30 minutes. So, pinainit ko na yung ating wok and mag-a-add tayo ng 2 tablespoon of olive oil. And then we have minced garlic. And meron tayong sliced onions. And after that, maaari na nating ilagay ang ating marinated pork. Then cover lang natin and i-simmer natin for 30 minutes. So once na-reduce na natin yung sauce niya, maririnig nyo parang sizzling na siya, mag-a-add tayo ng corn flour na may water. So mix lang natin yon and then ilalagay na natin sa ating pork. Next is cover lang natin and then i-simmer natin for about 1 hour or until malambot na yung ating pork. And make sure that you stir it occasionally para hindi masunog kasi nalagyan na natin ng corn flour. And lastly, syempre hindi mawawala ating broccoli and maglalagay din ako ng cilantro. So I hope that you like this recipe. Give it a try guys, magugustuhan ng family nyo. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you all soon. Bye for now!